Stress, we all feel it. But what if it's affecting more than just your mood or energy? What if it's quietly impacting one of the most intimate parts of your life, your sexual health? Let's talk about something we often keep in the dark: how stress impacts your sex life. Whether it's work pressure, relationship issues, health problems, or parenting demands, chronic stress sends your body into fight or flight mode. As a result, it floods the body with cortisol and adrenaline. While that's helpful in emergencies, for men, chronic stress can lower testosterone, decrease libido, and even cause erectile dysfunction. For women, it's no different. Chronic stress can lead to low sexual desire, disrupted menstrual cycles, vaginal dryness, and even pain during intimacy. The mind is too busy to be present in the moment. If left untreated, stress can start affecting relationships, communication, and even self-esteem. Stress makes it harder to connect emotionally. It brings anxiety, negative body image, guilt, and when those go unresolved, intimacy suffers. The good news? You're not alone, and you can take back control. Whether it's stress, hormonal imbalance, or anxiety-induced sexual dysfunction, these are treatable with the right care. Start by managing stress in daily life. Meditation, breathwork, journaling, regular movement, all of these regulate your nervous system. Nutrition also matters. Certain foods support hormone balance and sexual health, like leafy greens, omega-3s, and magnesium-rich meals. And talk. Open communication with your partner can reduce tension and build emotional intimacy, which is just as important as physical connection. Don't wait to seek professional help. A licensed mental health provider or sexual health expert can help uncover root causes, whether it's anxiety, hormonal imbalance, or deeper emotional patterns. SDKare understands the connection between mental health and sexual well-being. Our licensed providers work together to support your mind and body. From stress management to sexual health consultations and hormone evaluations, SDKare offers discreet telehealth services that connect you to providers who understand the link between stress and sexual wellness. Your stress doesn't define your intimacy. With the right care, you can reconnect with yourself and with your partner. SDKare, simple, dedicated care, helping you ease the stress for a healthier sex life.